In today's video, I'm going to teach you to cancel an American Express Platinum card. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do, what to expect during the conversation, and how to avoid losing any unused value on your account. To get started, reach out to American Express customer service using one of two official channels. You can place a call through the customer service line, or you can log into your account on the official American Express website and use the secure chat feature. Stick to the official site and the contact options you find there to protect your information. Either route works the same way, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're connected, ask to speak with a representative and clearly state that you want to cancel your Platinum card. Keep it simple and direct. The agent may ask a few quick questions to confirm your identity and verify your account details. That's completely normal. Be ready to confirm personal information you've previously provided to American Express. It can help to be in a quiet place so you don't miss any details the agent provides. Before you finalize the cancellation, take a moment to handle any remaining reward points or statement credits on your account. This is important because those are typically forfeited once the card is closed. Log in and check your points balance and your recent statements. If you have membership rewards points, redeem them in a way that makes sense for you, whether that's booking travel through the American Express portal, applying them at checkout with participating partners, or choosing gift cards or eligible statement credits if available to your account. For statement credits, review your benefits page and recent transactions to make sure you've used any credits you're entitled to. It's much easier to take care of this before you close the card, because after the account is shut, you generally lose access to those values. When you're ready, tell the representative you'd like to proceed. They will process the request and confirm when your Platinum card has been officially cancelled. After that, your card will no longer work for new purchases, and you may see a final statement reflecting any pending transactions or credits that were already in progress. Keep an eye on your account notifications for confirmation of the closure. And that's it. Contact customer service, clearly request cancellation, verify your identity, use any remaining rewards or credits first, and then confirm the closure. Follow these steps and you'll cancel your American Express Platinum card smoothly and confidently.